Good morning, students. How are you? Fine? Okay. Today we will start second chapter of unit first, growing up. A few days ago we read Monday Morning Blues. You enjoyed that chapter? Right. Now another one interesting chapter we are going to read. The name of the chapter is Tale of a Tale. Students, tale means story. Story of a tale. What kind of the story is given over here? We will read in this chapter. Before beginning the chapter, I would like to tell you that actually this story is taken from the writer R.K. Narayan novel Swami and Friends. This is a part of that novel. Let's read. When Swaminathan entered the fifth grade classroom, a giggle went round the benches. Swaminathan, a student of fifth class, he came to the school, he entered his class. As soon as he entered, everybody started laughing. He walked to his seat, hoping that he might not be the cause of the giggling. He thought maybe his classmate may be laughing at something else and they might not be laughing at him. So he slowly moved towards his seat. But his classmates continued to laugh. But still the classmates were laughing as usual. He looked at himself and then around the classroom. So he thought that what is funny about me that students are laughing at me. So he looked at himself closely and then he looked around the class. उसने अपने आप को देखा, फिर क्लास में चारों तरफ नजरें दौड़ाई. His eyes traveled up to the blackboard and he saw something on the board. His face turned red, and what he saw on the board, by mere looking at that, his face turned red. His face turned red. It means he became angry. On the board was written in huge letters. Huge means very big. On the board, in very big letters, the word tail was written. Swaminathan ran to the blackboard and rubbed it off with his hands. He quickly went to the board and erased the word tail with his hands. He slowly turned around. Now, after erasing the word, he turned around to look as if what others are doing. His friend Shankar's head was bent over his notebook. One of his friends, Shankar, when his eyes fell at him, he saw that Shankar was busy in reading his notebook, in learning something from there. And P was busy unpacking his bag. And another friend P was very busy in taking out stationeries from the bag. Swami felt very embarrassed. Student, embarrassed means ashamed. Sharmana, sharm aa jana. When he was continuously hearing that everybody is laughing, he felt very much ashamed. उसको बहुत शर्म आई. Without a word, he approached P and gave him a furious slap on his cheek. He quickly reached his friend P and gave a very dangerous, fearful, furious means dangerous, fearful slap on P's cheek. P को उसने एक जोरदार थप्पड़ मार दिया. P burst into tears. So student, it is obvious that P, after getting a very tight slap, started weeping and swore that he did not do it. Swore means to take an oath. कसम खाना. उसने कसम खाई कि उसने वो वर्ड वहां पे नहीं लिखा. Swaminathan cast a sly look at Shankar. Now Swaminathan was already very angry. He couldn't decide what he was doing. So he looked at Shankar the corner of his eyes. With the corner of his eyes, he gave a secret look at Shankar, who was absorbed in some work. Absorbed here means busy. Shankar at that time was busy in some work. Swaminathan turned to him and slapped his face also. Swami repeated the same activity with Shankar also. He slapped his face. Soon there was a pandemonium. Now it's very much obvious, students. Here started a dangerous fight. Pandemonium means, you can see, meaning is written, a situation in which there is a lot of noise and confusion. So there was a noisy confusion in the class. क्लास में बहुत ज़्यादा शोर होने लगा. Shankar, Swaminathan and P rolling over each other, tearing, scratching, kicking one another. In this process, the friends Swaminathan, P and Shankar, they started fighting, and in the process of fighting they fell to the ground, और ग्राउंड पे गिर के एक दूसरे के कपड़े फाड़ने लगे, एक दूसरे को नाखून मारने लगे और एक दूसरे को पैरों से भी किक करने लगे. The bell rang. The bell rang means now it was the time of the class. It means first period was going to begin. Just then Rajam, Somu and Mani entered. Now three more friends, Rajam, Somu and Mani, entered the class. The teacher came in and stood aghast. When the teacher entered the class, the teacher became very much surprised. Aghast means shocked and surprised. The teacher was very much surprised when he saw the boys fighting. He could do little more than look on. The teacher couldn't do anything but could only look at the fighting. He was the old Tamil Pandit, the most composed teacher in the school. Now the teacher was a Tamilian. He was the old Tamil Pandit and he was the most composed. Composed means learned, knowledgeable. Since the teacher was the oldest one in the school, so he was the most learned person in the learned teacher in the school. Somu and Mani parted the fighters with great difficulty. Now who are the fighters? Swaminathan, P and Shankar. Now Somu and Mani, they parted. Parted means separated. They separated three fighters with a great difficulty. उन्होंने उन तीनों को, सोमू और मनी ने उन तीनों को अलग किया. Somu said, "Sir, please let us go out." Then Somu demanded the teacher that, "Sir, please let us go out. We will go out and fight there. We do not want to disturb the class." Student, this is very ridiculous. This is very funny that they are asking the permission from the teacher that they should go outside and fight there since class is getting disturbed. Now the teacher started to answer, but Mani had already gone out. As the teacher started to answer, टीचर ने अभी आंसर दिया भी नहीं था कि मनी बाहर निकल गया और पुशिंग स्वामीनाथन एंड पी बिफोर हिम. स्वामीनाथन और पी को धक्के मार मार के भी वो आगे ले गया. सोमू फॉलोड हिम विथ शंकर. Now Somu also went along with Shankar. All friends came to a lonely spot in the field adjoining the school. Now all the friends, they came to a very lonely place that was a field that was at the bordering areas of the school. There was silence for a while and then Mani said, कुछ टाइम के लिए कोई नहीं बोला. फिर मनी बोला, "What is wrong with you, you little rogues?" Rogues means evil person, the person who creates disturbance in the society. Mani asked all three of them means Swaminathan, P and Shankar. He asked, "What is wrong with you? What were you doing in the class?" The three started to speak at once. Now all the three boys were already confused. They couldn't think what they are doing, so they started speaking together. And amongst them Swaminathan's voice was the loudest. उनके बीच में स्वामीनाथन की आवाज़ सबसे ज़्यादा तेज थी. क्या बोला वो? He, P wrote tail, big tail on the blackboard, big, and he complained Mani about P that he had written the word tail on the blackboard. No, I didn't, you, screamed P. Now in his rescue, P screamed means shouted that he didn't write anything. The other two wrote it, cried Swaminathan, pointing at Shankar. Now Swaminathan blamed Shankar that he must have written the word tail. Rascal, did you see me? Howled Shankar. Now Shankar howled means a distress cry. परेशानी में परेशान होके चिल्लाना बहुत तेज आवाज में. शंकर ने हाउलिंग किया. रास्कल, रास्कल मीन इविल पर्सन. डिड यू सी मी, क्या तुमने मुझे देखा था ये करते हुए. मनी कवर्ड देयर हैंड्स, देयर माउथ्स विद हिज hand. Now as all three of them, P, Swaminathan and Shankar, were very aggressive, they were in the mood of fighting, they were not getting cool anyway, so Mani pressed their mouth with his hand and asked, what is the tail anyway, कि भाई बताओ तो सही पूंछ है क्या. He asked, उसने पूछा. They call me Rajam's tail, sobbed Swaminathan. Sobbed means an act of crying, to weep. स्वामीनाथन ने मोस्टली रोते हुए बताया कि वो मुझे राजम की पूंछ कह के बुलाते हैं. मनी एंड राजम वर सोन एनिमीज. नाउ मनी एंड राजम, दे वर वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट एनिमीज. देयर वॉज अ फ्रोजन एक्सप्रेशन ओवर मनीज फेस. नाउ मनीज फेस became very strict. Frozen expression means very strict. Cold face became cold. There were no feelings. There was a frozen expression over Mani's face. Mani's face became very strict. He filled with anger and he asked, and who dares to talk of Rajam here? और उसने पूछा, राजम के बारे में बात करने की हिम्मत किसकी हुई यहाँ पे. If any of you fellows have done it, growled Mani, looking at trembling Shankar and P. He growled means again shouted. He shouted. Mani shouted at three of them and asked, "Ki if any of you dare to speak of Rajam, it is not a good thing." And while speaking so, while saying so, he was looking at Shankar and P. Shankar and P were already trembling. Trembling means they were shaking with fear. बहुत ज़्यादा डरे हुए थे, डर से कांप रहे थे. If they have, what can you do? asked Somu with a sarcastic smile. Sarcastic means bitter, mocking, किसी की मजाक उड़ाना. सोमू ने आंसर किया कि अगर उन्होंने किया भी है तो तुम क्या कर सकते हो. It means he was giving an open challenge to Mani. Now we can imagine again a furious fighting. Again one more fighting was going to start. What do you mean, Somu? Mani asked, what do you mean by saying that? Look here, Mani, Somu cried. For a long time I have been waiting to tell you this. Now Somu said that Mani, for a very long time I was thinking to discuss you with this. You think too much of yourself and your powers. You think that you are very much powerful. कि बहुत दिनों से ये बात मैं तुम्हें बताने की सोच रहा हूँ कि तुम अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा पावरफुल मानते हो. Mani swung his hand and brought it down on Somu's neck. Now, as I already told you that one more fighting was boiling up, was going to start. So it started now. Mani rotated his hand and brought it down on Somu's neck, and he held Somu's neck tightly with his hand. Somu pushed it away with a heavy blow. In the reaction, Somu pushed his hand with a heavy blow. सोमू ने उसके हाथ पे जोरदार धक्का लगाया और अपनी गर्दन से हाथ हटा दिया. Mani aimed at a kick at Somu, but he stepped aside. Mani was so angry, he became so aggressive that he thought that he should kick Somu, but he couldn't do that. So in that process he stepped aside. उसने साइड में ही पैर पटक दिए, अपने गुस्से की वजह से पैर को पटक दिया. The three youngsters could hardly believe their eyes. Three youngsters, were those three boys who started fighting in the class. I hope you know, you remember their names, Swaminathan, P and Shankar. So all three of them couldn't believe their eyes. Somu and Mani, the best friends, were fighting. Why they couldn't believe their eyes? क्योंकि सोमू और मनी जो कि बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स थे वो झगड़ा कर रहे थे. They had lost their heads. They couldn't think what was going on. They had lost their heads, means they have lost their thinking capacity. They couldn't think what was going on. They thought that Somu and Mani were killing each other, and because both were fighting in a very dangerous way, so they thought that Somu and Mani surely will kill each other today. They looked at each other and then ran towards the school. So they looked at each other and then quickly ran towards the school to complain to the headmaster. They burst in upon the headmaster, who gathered from them with great difficulty that two murders were being committed at that very moment. They burst in upon means all three of them spoke together quickly, and they told that two murders were going to be committed in the school today. उन्होंने हेडमास्टर को बताया कि आज दो खून स्कूल में होने वाले हैं. यहाँ देखो बेटा, who gathered from them, who means हेडमास्टर here. तो बच्चे इतने घबराए हुए थे कि वो ढंग से प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं बता पा रहे थे. उन्होंने जैसे बताया तो हेडमास्टर को समझ में आया कि आज वो क्या कह रहे हैं कि आज दो खून स्कूल में होने वाले हैं. ही लाफ्ड इट एट फर्स्ट. अब छोटे बच्चों की बात सुन के उनको जो हेडमास्टर थे उनको हंसी आ गई. बट द एक्साइटमेंट एंड द सीरियसनेस ऑफ द बॉयज मेड हिम स्क्रैच हिज चिन. बट when he saw the excitement of the students, when he saw that the boys were very serious, he started scratching his chin. Scratching his chin means it's a thinking process. When you think, तब आप अपनी चिन को खुजली करते हो. It's a funny way of thinking. He called a peon and set off to the field with him. He took the peon and went towards the field with peon. You can see the picture, headmaster and the peon, and these are the three boys. The fighters, rolling and rolling over one another, were everywhere in the field. Fighters, who were the fighters? Mani and Somu. Mani and Somu पूरे ग्राउंड में एक दूसरे के ऊपर लोटपोट हर जगह घूम रहे थे. द हेडमास्टर एंड द पियोन easily picked them apart. Since headmaster and the peon were grown up persons and they were only 5th class students, so they could easily separate them, much to the astonishment of Swaminathan. Astonishment means surprise. So Swaminathan was very much surprised. Why? Who had thought till then that the strength that Somu or Mani possessed was not possessed by anyone else in the world. Why he was surprised? He was surprised because he thought, before that he was in the notion that Mani and Somu are the most powerful students in the school, but headmaster and the peon could easily pick them apart. So it was a matter of surprise for Swaminathan. All the 5 boys quietly followed the headmaster to his room. Now all those friends, they followed the headmaster to his room. Now headmaster will be maybe what do you think? The headmaster will listen to their problems and he will punish the culprit. Students, I hope you must have understood the chapter. I suggest you to read it twice. Thank you. Have a nice day.